Typically, one of the most time-consuming steps of building an engine is cleaning all the engine components. Use of an ultrasonic parts washer is a great way to clean engine parts and components. However, when it comes to the cylinder bores and piston rings, nothing beats good old elbow grease. We recommend using denatured alcohol and lint-free towels, specifically Kim wipes. They are bright white, and you need to keep cleaning each component until the wipe stays perfectly white. You'll be surprised how many times you'll have to clean the cylinder bores to remove the honing remnants from the crosshatch and the bores. If you do not get out all of the honing oil and nickel dust residue from the cylinder bores, you'll end up damaging the plating, rings, and pistons. It is common to hear people using brake or carb cleaner to clean components, but we have not found anything that works as well as denatured alcohol. It can be purchased from most home improvement stores and even from most pharmacies in a pinch. After cleaning your nickel cylinders, do not oil them until you are ready to install them, as the oil will collect and trap airborne particles. Ideally, you'll be working in a climate-controlled space, with ambient air temperature around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and low humidity, so you won't have to worry about corrosion on cleaned ferrous surfaces. WD-40 can be safely used as well on internal engine surfaces, and won't cause any harm. Be careful to avoid any contaminants on sealing surfaces, where sealant, O-rings, or gaskets will be used. These surfaces must also be thoroughly cleaned to ensure leak-free operation. When we see issues with rebuilt engines, they typically stem from poor preparation, specifically cleaning. So, follow these steps to ensure the best possible results from your engine rebuild. And remember, this old rule still applies.